Welcome to a realm where craftsmanship meets elegance, where security intertwines with artistry. We're about to embark on a journey into the world of exquisite ironwork fences. These aren't just barriers, but testaments to the fusion of functionality and aesthetics. Crafted by the skilled hands of ARVERN IRON WORKS, these fences stand as bold statements of style and enduring symbols of protection. So, buckle up. Let's delve into the captivating and intricate world of ironwork fences. Today, we explore the impeccable world of ironwork fences by ARVERN IRON WORKS. ARVERN IRON WORKS stands as a beacon of excellence in the realm of iron craftsmanship. Nestled in the heart of the city, ARVERN has been shaping the landscape with its exquisite ironwork fences for over 4 decades. The legacy of ARVERN is a tale of passion, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to creating works of art that serve more than mere functionality. Founded by the visionary artisan John ARVERN, the company quickly established a reputation for excellence, pushing the boundaries of design and creativity. Over the years, ARVERN has perfected the art of blending aesthetics with functionality, creating ironwork fences that are as beautiful as they are robust. The team at ARVERN thrives on innovation, continually evolving to meet the changing trends and preferences of their discerning clientele. With years of experience and a commitment to quality, ARVERN has become synonymous with sophistication and durability. At ARVERN IRON WORKS, each piece is a testament to the fusion of art and engineering. Our journey begins with the careful selection of materials. We choose only the highest quality iron, testing it for strength and durability. This ensures that each fence is not just beautiful, but also robust, capable of standing firm for decades. After the materials are chosen, they are handed over to our skilled artisans. These craftsmen are the heart of our operation, carrying years of experience and a deep understanding of the nuances of ironwork. They treat each project with the dedication it deserves, pouring their skill and passion into every curve and line. The iron is first heated to a malleable state, allowing our artisans to shape it into intricate designs. Each piece is then hand-hammered, a process that not only shapes the iron but also strengthens it, making it more resistant to wear and tear. This is where the magic happens, where raw iron is transformed into a work of art. Yet, our commitment to craftsmanship doesn't end there. Once the ironwork is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Our fences are coated with a protective layer that shields them from the elements. This layer not only enhances the look of the iron, but also helps to prevent rust and corrosion, ensuring the longevity of the fence. But perhaps the most important aspect of our craftsmanship is the attention to detail. From the initial design to the final installation, every step is carried out with precision and care. We believe that it's these small details that make a big difference, turning an ordinary fence into an extraordinary one. Our commitment to quality doesn't stop at the craftsmanship. We also ensure that our materials are top-notch. Using premium-grade iron, we craft fences that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound. Our fences are designed to withstand all weather conditions, promising durability and longevity. So when you choose ARVERN IRON WORKS, you're not just choosing a fence. You're choosing a piece of art, a statement of style, and a symbol of strength. Using premium-grade materials, our fences are built to withstand the elements and provide enduring security. ARVERN IRON WORKS recognizes that every client is unique, and so are their preferences. As connoisseurs of ironcraft, we celebrate this diversity by offering a breathtaking spectrum of design options. Our portfolio is a colorful palette, a veritable feast for the eyes, where every style, every era finds representation. From the grandeur of Victorian aesthetics to the minimalist charm of mid-century modern design, our fences cater to every taste and architectural style. Our traditional designs pay homage to the timeless beauty of wrought iron, taking inspiration from centuries-old craftsmanship. These designs are like a love letter to the past, echoing the elegance and opulence of eras gone by. With their intricate motifs and ornate detailing, these fences can transform any property into a stately manor or a regal estate. On the other end of the spectrum, we have our contemporary designs. Bold and innovative, these fences embody the spirit of modern architecture. They feature clean lines, geometric patterns, and a sleek aesthetic that complements the urban landscape. These fences are not just barriers, they are statement pieces, turning heads and sparking conversations. Between these two poles of design philosophy, we offer a myriad of styles. Whether you prefer the romantic curves of Art Nouveau, the geometric precision of Art Deco, or the organic forms of Craftsman style, you'll find a fence that resonates with your aesthetic sensibilities at ARVERN Iron Works. Whether you seek a traditional wrought iron fence or a contemporary masterpiece, ARVERN has the expertise to bring your vision to life. We understand that your property is a reflection of your taste and style. At ARVERN Iron Works, we believe in the power of personalization. That's why we offer extensive customization options, tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Our journey of customization begins with an in-depth consultation where we learn about your vision, your requirements, and your aesthetic preferences. We discuss the architectural style of your property, the landscape, and your specific security needs to create a design that harmonizes with your environment and enhances the beauty of your premises. Once we understand your vision, we dive into the vast ocean of design possibilities. From the grandeur of traditional Victorian fences to the sleek lines of modern design, our repertoire is as diverse as it is exquisite. We guide you through our portfolio, offering expert advice to help you choose a design that speaks to you, that embodies your personality. But customization at ARVERN Iron Works extends beyond design selection. Once you've chosen your preferred design, we delve into the finer details. We offer a range of finishes, from rustic patinas that exude an old-world charm to high-gloss finishes for a sleek contemporary look. Do you prefer the natural sheen of polished iron or the subdued elegance of a matte finish? Would you like to incorporate ornamental elements or prefer a minimalist design? The choice is entirely yours. Our role is to bring your vision to life, to create a fence that is not just a boundary, but a work of art that adds value to your property. We also offer a variety of functional customizations. Need an integrated gate or a privacy screen? We've got you covered. Want to incorporate a specific security feature? Consider it done. At ARVERN Iron Works, we blend functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating fences that are as practical as they are beautiful. Our team works closely with clients to create bespoke ironwork fences that exceed expectations. With ARVERN Iron Works, you're not just choosing a fence. You're choosing a personalized experience that culminates in a masterpiece tailored to your individual taste. Security is paramount, and ARVERN Iron Works takes it seriously. When it comes to ironwork fences, there's a lot more to consider than just the aesthetic appeal. While each fence is a work of art, it is also a robust guard, a sentinel that shields your property from unwanted intrusions. The strength of our fences lies in the quality of materials we use. Each fence is crafted from premium-grade iron, known for its incredible resilience and longevity. This ensures that your fence will not only stand strong against the test of time, but also resist the harshest of weather conditions. At ARVERN, we understand that durability and security go hand in hand. That's why we incorporate advanced security features in our designs. Our fences are not merely barriers, they are bulwarks against potential threats, offering a high level of security without compromising on elegance. But how do we achieve this perfect blend of strength and beauty, you may ask? It's all in the craftsmanship. Our artisans are skilled in creating intricate designs that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also augment the structural integrity of the fence. Each curve, each spiral, each detail is methodically crafted to ensure the fence is as sturdy as it is beautiful. Moreover, the durability of our fences is amplified by the meticulous finishing process. Each fence undergoes a rigorous finishing process that includes a protective coating to shield it against rust and corrosion. This ensures your fence remains pristine and strong year after year. To sum up, ARVERN Iron Works is not just about creating beautiful fences, it's about creating a secure environment for you and your loved ones. It's about providing you with a peace of mind, knowing that your property is well protected by a fence that's as durable as it is elegant. Built with durability in mind, our ironwork fences offer a formidable barrier, ensuring the safety and protection of your property. In the world of ironwork fences, ARVERN stands as a testament to the seamless fusion of artistry and security. In the world of ironwork fences, ARVERN Iron Works stands as a symbol of excellence. We've journeyed through the rich legacy of ARVERN, witnessed the meticulous craftsmanship and superior materials that go into every fence, marveled at the vast array of designs, and appreciated the depth of customization options that cater to individual tastes. We've also delved into the strength and security that each ARVERN fence guarantees, proving that beauty and durability can indeed coexist. ARVERN's commitment to quality, customer satisfaction, and the art of ironwork is unwavering. Each fence is a testament to the dedication and passion that ARVERN brings to the table, creating not just fences, but enduring pieces of art. So when it comes to enhancing the beauty and security of your property, make a choice that combines elegance and strength. Choose ARVERN, where every fence is a